Can you breastfeed your husband during pregnancy? Now, I feel like you are here from either one of two camps. Number one, yeah, this is a question I actually have. And number two, you're disgusted that I'm even filming this video. And I need you guys to know that I am here to film whatever information you need. If you want to know if you need to shave down there before delivery, I'm here for you. If you want to know what happens if you poop during delivery, I am here for you. And there are some serious safety concerns about this issue, and I'm here to talk about those with you as well. Some people can, some people can't. That's what we're here to talk about. We're not here to be judgmental about what you do in your free time at your house. Now, another thing that you and your partner could be doing is making sure that you're getting your birth plan ready. Yes, I recommend that a birth plan be done by both couples so that everybody kind of understands what's going to happen at delivery. I actually have birth plans made easy, totally free. You can find it down below. I'll put the link in the description. Now, when you learn about this, you definitely want to learn from an expert because this could go weird real easily, and we are not going to let it get that way today at the Pregnancy Nurse. In case we haven't met yet, hello, I'm Hillary. I'm the pregnancy nurse. I've been a nurse since 1997. I have 20 years of labor and delivery experience. I've also been married for almost 30 years now. So I totally get that you and your partner might want to be trying different things, and I'm here to help support you in that. So is it okay to breastfeed during pregnancy? Most often, yes. Most people are able to do it. However, if your provider has any concerns about preterm labor, they may be wanting you to not do something like this because that can stimulate hormones, which may in turn kick your body into labor. And we definitely don't want to be doing that if your body is tended toward that. Now, most people, even if you hooked yourself up to a pump, are not going to go into labor earlier in pregnancy. However, if you're looking for more information about how a pump could prep your cervix for delivery, I'll actually put that link down below. I have a whole video on preparing your cervix, and pumping can be one of those things, as well as intimacy might actually also get your cervix prepared for labor. But these are things that you don't want to be trying until you're past like 36, 37 weeks, once your baby is ready to be born. Okay, so what can be the risks of something like this? First off, we've already talked about it. It could shove your body into labor, and we definitely don't want to be doing that before baby is ready. The other thing you need to think about is your breast might be extra tender, especially in early pregnancy. It feel like my breasts went tender and then they'd be fine and then they'd get tender. So it's something that you just want to kind of monitor. You obviously don't want to be causing yourself pain with this. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Of course, with risks, we want to talk about what the benefits could be. And ultimately, it's usually just closeness with your partner, which is an awesome benefit. It's so important to have a great relationship coming into having that baby. I totally recommend you guys getting on the same page, which is why I have a birth class created just for couples. Some people might think the benefit is that this is preparing your breasts to breastfeed, and that isn't the case. Sorry. Now, if your provider has put you on vaginal rest, you might be wondering, can we do other things like this? That is definitely a question you want to bring to your provider. Some people are on vaginal rest due to reasons like an STI or something like that. In that case, something like this might be okay, but you want to check with your provider if they've recommended not to put anything in that area. Now, the other thing you're going to want to know is, am I making breast milk? Now, a lot of people will start to leak colostrum during pregnancy. I actually have a whole post about that on the Pregnancy Nurse. I'll link it down below. You might have a small amount of breast milk, so there might be some sort of a taste when they do it, but not usually very much. And as I said before, this isn't going to start your supply because you still have a placenta inside your body. It is when it peels off of your uterus that sort of triggers your body to start milk production. Now, if you're here wanting more information about breastfeeding, I do have a breastfeeding section in the online prenatal class for couples. It is taught by one of my very best breastfeeding friends, Katie Clark from the Breastfeeding Mama, and it is a breastfeeding basics that's just going to go through the basics of what you need to know before you start breastfeeding. I don't think anybody needs a giant breastfeeding class before they go into breastfeed. I think a lot of it is troubleshooting after you have the baby, and that's when I recommend checking out Katie at the Breastfeeding Mama. Now, your body is growing and changing during pregnancy, and at the same time, we're actually trying to grow our channel. So if you've appreciated the information on here, if you could give this a like, it shows YouTube that we have high quality pregnancy content that meets you where you're at and answers the questions that you need to know. And give me a follow so that we can hang out for the rest of your pregnancy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm always here to answer whatever questions you have. So if you have other questions you'd like me to put a video out about, I would love to answer them. So tell me in the comments.